Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super fun and easy beginner robot project, the Vibrobot. Or as some call it, the wobbling robot. This project is incredibly simple, requires minimal components, and is a blast to build. It's the perfect introduction to robotics, requiring no complex electronics or coding. All you need are a few basic items, and you'll have your own little robot buddy in no time. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a small DC motor. These are widely available online or at electronics stores. Make sure it's a size that's manageable for your robot's body. Next, grab a coin cell battery. The most common type will work perfectly. You'll also need a battery holder, which can often be found bundled with your DC motor or bot separately. Then, find a small piece of something to use as an offset weight. A small bolt, a piece of wire, or even a blob of hot glue will work. Finally, you'll need a paper cup or a small brush. This will act as the robot's body. Now, let's get building. The core concept is simple. We're using an unbalanced weight on the motor's shaft to create vibrations, causing the robot to walk or wobble. Take your DC motor and the offset weight. The offset weight needs to be attached to the motor's shaft. You can use hot glue, or if your motor has a small hole in the shaft, you can insert a small bolt into it. Ensure the weight is securely fastened, but make sure it isn't perfectly centered. The more off-center the weight is, the more vigorous the vibrations will be. Next, let's prepare the robot's body. If you're using a paper cup, make a small hole in the side or bottom to accommodate the motor's wires. If you're using a brush, you might need to find a way to secure the motor to the bristles. Once the motor is attached, you can attach the battery holder and insert the coin cell battery into the holder. Be sure to check the polarity of the battery when connecting to the motor. If the robot moves in reverse, simply switch the wires. Once everything is assembled, it's time to test your Vibrobot. Place your robot on a smooth surface. When you connect the battery, the motor should start spinning, and the offset weight will create vibrations. These vibrations cause the robot to wobble and move forward or even in circles, depending on the design and weight distribution. If your robot isn't moving, check the battery, the motor connections, and the weight placement. Troubleshooting is a crucial part of this project. If your robot moves erratically, try adjusting the weight's position. If it doesn't move at all, make sure the motor is connected correctly and that the battery is providing power. Also, experiment with different body shapes and materials. Does it move faster with different weight? Does a different body type make a difference? That is the fun of this project. This Vibrobot is a fantastic introductory project because it's so hands-on and demonstrates fundamental principles of movement and energy transfer. It's an excellent way to learn about simple mechanics, electronics, and the joys of robotics. Plus, it's incredibly satisfying to see your creation come to life, moving and grooving on its own. It's a fantastic project to do with kids, a great educational tool, and a simple but fun way to get started in the world of robotics. Thanks for watching, and happy building!